Welcome. This video I'll show you how to move a transaction to another wallet in Spendee. Okay, you actually have two options. The first option is by changing the wallet of an existing transaction, and the second one is by creating a proper transfer transaction. Okay, so first up, by changing the wallet of an existing transaction, it's pretty easy. You're gonna want to tap on timeline right here and select the specific transaction. For example, here we have gifts. Okay, and as you can see here, it is located under our main wallet. So to change it, just tap on the transaction. Now go ahead and tap on wallets right here and just move it to another wallet like so. And once done, hit on save changes and you should be good to go. All right. Now this method right here might still show as an expense or income in the original on your new wallet, affecting your budget. Now the other option is by creating a proper transfer transaction. Okay, to do that, what we'll do is just tap on the plus sign right here under our timeline. Tap on it. Now switch the transaction type from either expense or income. So from your other wallet, if it's an expense, you're going to want to add it in, and the other wallet is an income. Okay, just enter the same exact amount. Just for example, we have it here under salary. And once done, add the transaction, add the details notes if you want to as well. And once done, you should be good to go. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.